here. I think it's in the other side. What's going on here at Dawson? I do why there's a fireworks.
God knows.
I don't know. This one is in the Dawson, right? Wow! It was suddenly there's a fireworks here, guys. What's going on? Fireworks here. Can see from our balcony. It's amazing no more. Wow!
Oh my God! Look at all the fog.
I don't know. I think it's maybe in the.
Yeah, I've never heard this before.
No, last time there was also.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see.
Maybe there's an event there at the Dawson.
Queenstown.
Wow, done guys.